Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to take this card table. Actually, this isn't your traditional grandmother's card table where you sit at with your cousins at Thanksgiving dinner, but we're going to make this into like a usable presentation table. Let me bring you in here and check this thing out. So overall, she's been through a lot. As you can see, I've used her as a spray paint prep table. We got some rips and tears in it, and you know, the reason why I think this is a good contender is I like the bottom. They're riveted in, and they got screws there. It's a good platform, you know. So we can really rip into this and see what we can't make out of it. Now we got Grandma's bridge table all stripped. Pretty neat here. It says made in Sweden. So I got particle board, I guess this is. And these are the rivets going through. So let's see how easy we can bust those out. I got some woodage over there. I'll explain that in a second. Spider bits are just fantastic. Caught some of them rings too. Pretty cool. Love bumping out rivets. I don't know. It's pretty soothing. So here's my idea. These are like paint grade panels, shelves. You can see it's like wood glued together. Has a pretty nice grain to it. They were sitting somewhere, so I did get them for free $99, and I think the idea I'm going to go with is go up all the way to the outer edge of these rails. I got two pieces of this stuff, so we'll cut it as so, and we might throw this back underneath just to add a support, but I'm going to screw up through all of these into the wood to suck it in. And yeah, so let's give that a shot here. We're going to measure, rip it down. I'm not going to do the corners fancy or anything. Doesn't need to be. So this is what we're doing. Alright, so we got 49 inches. Mark it off here. Gonna be the length. Bingo bango. There we go. Good enough. I'll match these ones up. That always works correctly, never goes wrong. There we go. And just for good measure, and you're off about 1/8 of an inch when you do that, a little bit more. Come on, go back in. Ripping number 2. Always got to clean up. You don't want to be dragging stuff around the shop. Alright, let's get these lined up, see how much I have to take off. I'll do the back first. I like where we're sitting there. That side, just gonna butt them right up. Grab our mini T-square. I'm gonna stick with this line right here. I like that one. Move over, red, something. Got the new tabletop. And you can see right here, just like the old table, it dips down. So what I am going to do, I was going to put that under there, but it's not going to offer much support. So I'm going to rip some of this leftover down to the width, 2 of them, maybe 3. And then I'll screw these 2 into each other. It should bring it all up level. And then I might screw some holes into the metal and put some screws into these braces going across. And then we're on to the next part. So let me do this in the fast order. I had to pause the fast video because I was looking for screws and remembered I had this. Metal and wood screws, 510 piece, metric screw nut washer, assortment, $8.75. SAE screw nut washer assortment, $7.55. They lock together with a handle. Bought off Amazon in the $30 range. I'll link it down in the description. Got the to-go handle and drill bits in there and stuff, so it's a nice kit to have on the go. Some advice. If you're screwing upwards, wear safety glasses because my eyeballs are burning. Let me take you down there and you can take a gander at what I did. Either way, let's check out what's below. And I walked away a second time, while talking. Magnificent. It's really itchy down here. That's what those boards look like. I had to bring them over just a hair. These didn't really hit them. It was enough though to, got all these little screws in. This top, let's go take a look at it. I'm actually very happy with how it turned out here. So I'm gonna sand this down and then finish it off with some spar urethane, clear satin. Should look pretty good once I sand it and stuff. So really just some dollar store sandpaper. I'm just trying to get this dirt and stuff off of here. Anyways, thank you for joining me, guys. I have an idea for this, a design. I'm going to try and do, not very artistic, and then I'll stain it, and then you'll see it in future videos. So keep watching out for videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.